How to pin any website in Windows desktop. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So for example, this web store is the website I want to add a shortcut of. After you have opened the website, simply tap on this three dot and tap on save and share. After that, shortcut and then tap on create. So yeah, just like this, you have now created a shortcut. Simply copy it and then go to the desktop and paste it. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.